All right, friends, today for your assignment, we're going to be talking about the butterfly life cycle. And then you guys are going to be answering these 3 questions, except for I'm going to put them in a Google form for you to actually select an answer. So the butterfly life cycle. Look at the life cycle of a butterfly and then answer the questions. It starts at an egg. A butterfly lays eggs. So here are the eggs that the butterfly laid on the leaf. And then we have a caterpillar. A caterpillar hatches from an egg. And then the caterpillar goes into its chrysalis. The caterpillar changes into a chrysalis. And after that, we have a butterfly. And a butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. And you guys are going to be answering these 3 questions. And you're going to do it on the Google form on the next slide. What hatches from an egg? A caterpillar, a chrysalis, or a butterfly? A caterpillar changes into an egg, chrysalis, or a leaf. What comes out of a chrysalis? An egg, a leaf, or a butterfly?